Captain Starlight and welcome to another Unbox and Play. And today we'll be playing with the Lego Disney Princess Jasmine and Mulan's Adventure. This Lego Disney set is full of details from the beloved movies, letting you recreate your favourite scenes. Before we say hi to these amazing princesses, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, let's get building! And there you have it. Look at that fantastic little temple we can see here that we've got some wonderful little lanterns hanging. They're very, very cute. And some chopsticks and all sorts of things. But we've also got, of course, Mulan and her wonderful horse friend. And it's really, really cool because when you take the saddle out like this, you can also pop this little bit so it looks like you've got a full horse. And of course, a yummy, yummy little snack. Alright, now it's time to meet Jasmine with bag number 2. A castle fit for a queen or a princess. And of course, her pet tiger, Raja. Roar! And in comes Princess Jasmine flying on her magical carpet. Very, very cool. Oh my gosh, have a look at all of these wonderful details. We can see that we've got some very nice jewels right up here on the roof. And of course, we've got some beautiful gardens growing. And then if we have a little look inside, oh wow, look at all this cool stuff. Well, I wanted to show you that we've got the magic lamp. We've got a little croissant there, something to have a little snack on, yum, 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 and a little drink. And then, when you're ready to just have a little relax, why don't you just head on down to enjoy the Arabian sunlight in your very own balcony. Oh, it's very, very fashionable and very, very lovely. A whole new world. I'm gonna fly on a flying carpet. Oh, how fun was that? Oh, make sure you check out all the other Fun with Captain Starlight unbox and plays using the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me, Captain Starlight, for another Unbox and Play. I can show you the Lego.